Hi everyone, this is Anne. I hope you're all doing well. Today I wanted to share with you my very favorite chemical peel. This peel is perfect for all skin types and skin colors, and it's even ideal for sensitive skin. It treats sun-damaged skin, hyperpigmentation, dark spots, melasma, acne, and acne scars. And it gently exfoliates, it evens the skin tone, it reduces wrinkles and skin discoloration, and it helps to inhibit excess pigmentation within the skin for a more even skin tone. And an uneven skin tone is even more aging than wrinkles. This peel is perfect at evening up the skin tone for a brighter, more youthful looking complexion. This is not a sponsored video. I will go ahead and put the links to the products that I show and talk about down beneath this video in the description box, and also in the first comment beneath this video in case there's a product that you're interested in and you'd like to go on and read more about it. The peel that I'm talking about is a mandelic acid peel, and mandelic acid is an alpha hydroxy acid that is derived from bitter almonds. The molecule size of mandelic acid is larger than that of other alpha hydroxy acids such as lactic acid or glycolic acid, so it penetrates the skin at a slower rate and causes less skin irritation. So it's perfect for those with sensitive skin. It also has antibacterial properties to it, so it treats acne, even cystic acne, and it unclogs the pores. Mandelic acid is a great anti-aging ingredient. It accelerates cell turnover by dissolving the bonds that hold the dead skin cells onto the skin's surface. As a result, it brightens the skin, it reduces lines and wrinkles. It also helps to encourage collagen production within the skin for firmer, plumper, younger looking skin. There is little to no downtime with this peel. Typically, people only experience warming sensation of the skin and maybe some slight redness right after the peel is applied, but that quickly goes away. Some people may experience a little bit of flaking of the skin, but some don't have any flaking at all, and that does not mean that the peel isn't working, since there are typically no side effects to this peel at all. There are several forms of mandelic acid products. It's available in a skin peel. It's also available in a nighttime skincare serum. And the peels are available at various percentage strengths: 10%, 20%, 30%, 40%, 50%, and 60% strengths are available. It's advisable to start out at a lower strength and then work your way up to a higher strength peel. And the peels are not applied nightly. The 10% peel is applied 2 to 3 times a week. The 20 and 30% peel is applied twice a week. And the 30, 40, and 50 higher strength peels are applied once a week or once every 2 weeks. The peels are super easy to use. I have a 20% mandelic acid peel that I apply twice a week. And all you do is cleanse your skin, let your skin dry, and then apply it with a cotton pad like you would a toner. So you just put the product on your cotton pad and apply it to whatever areas you want to treat. I apply it to my chest, my neck, my face, and the backs of my hands twice a week. Then you just let it sit on your skin for 3 to 5 minutes. Then you rinse it off with cool water. After that, you want to just apply a moisturizer. And my very favorite moisturizer to apply after my mandelic acid peel is a soy moisturizer, and I will link this down beneath this video in case you want to read more about it. Soy is great for inhibiting excess pigmentation within the skin. It also is great to even the skin tone, and it produces new collagen within the skin. So I just apply this after I've rinsed my peel off, and that's the only product I apply on nights that I use my peel. All the other nights of the week, I use my normal skincare routine. Mandelic acid is also available in a nightly skincare serum. It has 10% mandelic acid mixed with hyaluronic acid, and this can be applied each night after cleansing the skin and followed up with your normal skincare products. It's important when you use an alpha hydroxy acid to use your own skin as the guide as to how often you should be using it. If you get any irritation, then just back off on the nights that you use it and use it a little less often. It's also very important to wear a sunscreen during the day when you use an alpha hydroxy acid, because that does make your skin more sensitive to the sunlight, and you want to protect it from sun damage. My very favorite sunscreen to use is a broad spectrum SPF tinted moisturizer, and I will link this down below in case you want to read more about it. I wear this as my makeup. I apply a little bit to my chest, my neck, my face, and the backs of my hands. It gives a nice natural finish and it absorbs well. I also like to use a gentle hydrogen activated water exfoliant in the mornings to help remove the dead skin cells without any irritation to my skin. And the one I use has 91% activated hydrogen water. This does a great job at removing dead skin cells, and it's very gentle on the skin. I would highly recommend it, and this is for all skin types. I would love to hear from you guys down in the comments section if you've ever tried mandelic acid for your skin. I absolutely love this mandelic acid peel. It's my favorite chemical peel. I have seen great improvement on my sun-damaged skin. I used to lay out back in the 80s and early 90s and have a lot of sun damage to my skin. This peel has done a great job at reducing lines and wrinkles. It has really evened my skin tone and reduced any discoloration and dark spots that I have on my skin. It works great, and I would highly recommend this peel. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.